There's nothing worse than a bad smelling aircon system. Over the past year or so, my aircon started smelling a little bit moldy. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of that moldy smell in 5 minutes and make everything smell nice and fresh again. What's up guys? It's pretty normal for your aircon to start smelling a little bit less fresh as your car gets older. My range is coming up to about 14 years old now, so it's due for a bit of a freshen up. And the good news is it's super cheap and super simple to do. Today I'll be using this air conditioner odor eliminator by Valvoline. Bought this from Super Cheap Auto for about $35. And I know this particular one works well because Bianca used it on her car a couple of weeks ago and it's worked a treat for hers, so I figured may as well buy the same for mine. But there is other brands that make a similar product if you've got another brand in mind that you favour. So the first thing we want to do is take a quick look under the bonnet and make sure we know where our aircon intake vents are. They're normally located just under your windscreen wiper assembly. So for my car, I've got 2 vents, one on this side of the car here and one on the other side there. If you're not sure if what you found is a vent or not, take the little spray can that comes in the kit and just spray a little bit of a squirt into the area. Jump in, turn your AC on, crank it to max, and you'll be able to smell the solution straight away if what you found is correct vent. So now we're going to turn the car on, make sure all the windows are completely wound up, and power up the AC system. Set the fan to high and make sure that it's drawing air from the outside. Back under the bonnet, we're going to spray half the contents of this can into those air intake vents we found earlier. Okay, now we'll just let that run for 2 minutes. Now that it's been running for 2 minutes, we're going to change the AC system to heat mode. Next, we're going to spray the remaining half of the can into those same 2 vents and let it rest for another 2 minutes. Job done. Whoa, certainly is warm in here after running that heater flat out for the past few minutes. But we're all finished, all done. Took about 5 minutes in total to fully rejuvenate the whole AC system, which I reckon is just fantastic. Well worth the money in my opinion to get rid of that moldy, musky smell. At the moment it's kind of been replaced with a bit of a menthol or a bit of a peppermint smell. My car smells a little bit like a dentist at the moment, but that smell only hangs around for about 6 to 12 hours. Then it dissipates and we're left with nothing but a nice, fresh and clean smelling system. Anyway, hopefully that video has been useful if you're experiencing a similar problem with your car and having that moldy smell. Thanks so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.